Lucky 7 Landscaping. Just want to show y'all that even a field can be striped. You know, it ain't got to be great fescue, great bermuda. You know, all this stuff is pretty much, you know, just field grass. You know, and it's not really all about having a striping kit. I don't use a striping kit. The main thing is how you clean your blades, keep them sharp, you know, keep your deck clean, make sure that it's baffling good, make sure it has good vacuum. All right, so I'm going to show y'all this little piece here. All right, so you'll see we got a little bit of mix. Got some clover, got some fescue, got some weeds, and more weeds, and hay, and some cow pals and everything. But you can take a look out there. You can see this is how you can stripe. It's not all about what you do. Having a striping kit, the technique is how you keep your deck clean. Nice, beautiful piece of property that we get to mow every week. Really, really nice. A little over 5 acres that we mow. Takes us about 2.5, 3 hours depending on how wet it is. All thanks to the bad boy mowers. Couldn't be pleased enough. I love this thing. My wife, she's got a ride-on, but marvelous, marvelous mowers. Really great job with these. More to come, guys.